As global fish stocks continue to deplete worldwide, aquaculture has become increasingly important as an environmentally sustainable way to meet global demand for fish products. That's an unchallenged consensus among delegates at this year's World Aquaculture Conference, where Africa has taken an increasingly more proactive role in adopting the practice. Aquaculture amounts to over $80 billion annually in developing countries, so there are clearly many economic benefits to it, and that is something South Africa does not intend missing out on.
Our government, particularly the cabinet, took a decision in 2014 to prioritize aquaculture as one of the main sectors for economic transformation within the oceans economy space. So we developed some detailed plans on how we're going to develop aquaculture going forward.
Among those include implementing high-impact projects and legislation reform. Already much of the aquaculture focus surrounds industries that produce abalone, mussels and oysters, much of which is destined for export markets. Egypt's aquaculture industry has grown to provide 70% of its fish protein demand and plays a major part in food security. It's also developed a massive aquafeed industry.
Aquaculture in Egypt has been growing tremendously for over 3 decades, with a current production of over 1.2 million tons. Tilapia in Egypt is now its #1 cultural species. Egypt is #3 in the world in tilapia production after China.
Global sales in tilapia aquaculture has grown to $12 billion this year, and a large part of that derives from the world's largest producer, China, which has already begun looking at fine-tuning farm species.
I think the nutrient for that because now we need to improve the quality and for the fish production, because the quantity is we are very big in the world, but maybe the quality we should improve.
Of course, technology also plays a key role, and those have developed in the form of advanced aquafeeds and production equipment, all of which will further strengthen the merits of aquaculture for the continent. More and more African countries are finding value in aquaculture, and that has been attributed to its growth. Consumers have also assisted by making responsible decisions at the tills. Travers, CGTN, Cape Town.